friends, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, wishing you all a very happy and colorful Holi. Now it's springtime in India and it's the best time for your hair to grow. So today in this video I am going to give you some tips and tricks for your hair so that you and your hair both can enjoy this season. So let's begin. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am glad to have you here. It means a lot to me if you step forward and click the subscribe button to join this family. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon just to get notified with my future videos. Now let's get into the video and watch this video till the end because the most important point will be at the end. So now let's begin. Get a trim to start off your spring. As I have talked in my winter hair care video, the cold and dry air of winter takes a significant toll on your hair. Getting rid of split ends is a great way to start off your spring hair care. You don't have to get a major cut unless you want a new look. So taking just a little bit off can get rid of dry split ends and make your hair feel as fresh as a new season. Next step is fight the frizz. The rapid increase of humidity after a dry winter can create a wild hair and flyaways even on the sunniest day. So I'll suggest to use anti-frizz serum on damp hair to help seal and smooth the cuticles. I'll put some of the good serums link in a description box below, so don't forget to see the description box. Next step is change out your shampoo and conditioner. It's important to switch out shampoo and conditioner according to the seasons. In winter, we probably use moisturizing products to fight the dry hair. Likewise, in spring, the increase in humidity can combine with your hair and make your hair frizzy. So it's important to switch the shampoo and conditioner as season changes. And don't forget to miss my next Thursday's video because in that I am going to tell you what shampoo I am using and it's important in everything. So don't forget to miss my next coming Thursday's video. Now the last and very important tip, expect more hair growth. Experts believe that the increased amount of sunlight trigger your hair to grow more quickly, and during spring season sun is not harsh, so it will not damage your hair. So it is very easy to grow your hair. Just follow the above mentioned tip and take vitamins and proteins on your diet, and that's it. You will notice that your hair is growing fast in spring as compared to winters. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. I'm planning so many things for you all, so please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon just to get notified with my future videos. If you have any questions related to hair, just put your questions in a comment section below. Also, if you have any video suggestions, just put your suggestions in a comment section below. So yeah, that's it. Now I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye and keep growing your hair.
I've been loving